Hi guys, it's Toys Galaxy. Today we have a very special toy. Our friends from Playmobil sent us this toy for us to review. So what we have is the DreamWorks Dragons. As you can see in the picture, this is Toothless the dragon and of course our friend Hiccup. Let's take a look at the box. So this set is recommended for ages 4 to 12 years old. It has 16 pieces and let's take a look at the side. Okay, just a regular side. Oh, this is interesting. They actually wrote down here how to pronounce mobile. It is pronounced Playmobil and not mobile. So that is good to know. And that's, oh, this is the back part of our box. As you can see, these are the parts. And what I love about this box, it just actually tells you the size of the toy inside. As you can see, this is the size of our friend Hiccup. And down here, if you can see this white line, it has the size of our dragon. I love that part. And this set needs batteries and it's not included, so we're gonna have to check if we have AAA batteries. Okay, I'm excited to open this and give you our feedback and our honest review of this Playmobil Dragon. Let's open it up. Okay, so I'm going to show you this interesting feature of this box. So on the side, there are two grooves there that you can cut. And then the bottom part of the box is this oval one here. And what happens is, when you actually open the box, all you have to do is open it up like that. Here you go. So that's how nice this box opening would be, because all you have to do is cut from those sides and here you go. So I do love this feature of your box. Good job here, Playmobil. So let's see what we have. Okay, now we have our open set. First is we have this pre-assembled dragon. And all the other parts of his body will be on this. So this is a great part about this too. Already pre-assembled. Look at those eyes. Toothless. And it comes in this piece where the LED light and the battery goes. So we're going to have Zia here on my side, being my little helper. Hi Zia, say hi to them.
Hi.
And hi. And the first bag here contains this instruction, so we're going to open this. Okay, so this is the first. This is a brochure from Playmobil and everything that they offer, all the toys that they have. So this is a guide for you friends. See what Playmobil has to offer to our kids out there. And this is our instruction guide. It tells you the step-by-step process of putting all the parts of the dragon together. And the good part about this instruction is it comes in many different languages. I don't know how many, but we can 1, 2, 3, 4, and all of this as well. So the second one is in English, so that's the one that we're going to be using. And this is our instruction. That's the first, and this is the second bag. We have our friend Hiccup here, and all the accessories that come with it. And of course, the wings of the dragon. So I'm gonna open all of it and lay them down for us to assemble. This is a huge wing. Okay, put that here. So let's assemble our friend Hiccup first. Can we do that, Zia?
Yeah.
Okay, and then we will proceed with Dragon. Okay, this is our friend Hiccup. And I do like the colors and how sturdy they are. The arms are movable, but not just on the waist part, but not this leg itself. Okay. And this hair can actually come off and we can change it. This is a little bit hard. There you go. Okay. So we can change his hair to our battle hair. Okay, and it snaps easily, so that's good. And Zia, do you want to get his helmet? Oh. Is it easy snap? Okay, what about, I think he does have a shoulder pad too. You want to get that?
Yeah.
Perfect.
There.
Okay, although the parts are small, it's good to know that they do snap easily, so that is good. What else does it come with?
It comes with these glider rings.
Oh, the glider. So you snap that on? Can you show it to them? Okay. And you put that in the back.
Wait, he needs to hold this.
Oh, he needs to hold that. So you put his arms up there and then you snap it.
There.
Wow, good job on this. I really like them. This is going to be his glider. And of course, he has this sword. But he's not able to hold this right now. And wonder if we can put it in any part of his body. Nope. So the glider is like that, and we have his sword here. Now it's time to assemble our dragon. Let's put our friend here first. Can he stand? Yes, he can stand. Okay. Now it's time to assemble our dragon. Let's get Toothless. And weight-wise, this is really a very sturdy, and it's hard. It looks like really a very durable toy. So I like this feature, and as you can see, it's long as well. So first, let's put on the wings. So there are two grooves here that you put the wings. So let's try the first one. So yeah, you want to do it? See if it snaps easily. I want the kids to be able to try to do it themselves and see if they can assemble it.
There.
Oh, okay. It snaps easily. And as you can see, the wings do rotate. So, that way. Okay, and do the other one, Caitlin. I'll let you hold it so you can have a grip. Is it easy? Did you have an easy time doing it? Okay, so we have the dragon wings. And like I said, easy to assemble. Okay, now that we have our wings put in, we're gonna put this red part here somewhere in the tail. I really am not familiar with this logo here, but we're gonna put it here. Caitlin, do the honor, please. Easy snap. Very good. And now we're gonna put in this space here where we have the battery that we put in and the LED lights. So when you press on this, see that light there? That's awesome. I love that. Okay, so we're gonna snap this one here. Right, Caitlin? Easy snap.
Wait. I think it's the other. Yeah.
Okay. See that light over there? Okay. Now it's time for us to play with this amazing toy. Okay, now that we have our dragon assembled, we are gonna put our friend on top. So there's a spot here on top of the dragon that we can have Hiccup sit. So we're gonna put his glider up here and slide him. Let's see if he will fall. Oh, this is nice too. This is a good feature because he is steady and he won't fall if we try playing with this. Okay, now it's time to try this toy. Zia, are you excited? Okay, so as you can see, this set comes with 3 of these sticks that acts as the fire that the dragon spits out. So we're gonna open his mouth by pressing on this. See, he has a hole inside his mouth, and all you're gonna do is put this inside. Okay, see that? It came out quick. Okay, let's try the other one. Okay, so you're gonna hear that click, and again I'm gonna try to open the dragon's mouth. There you go. Oh, I love that. One more. Click, and it's time. Woo! Okay, so you're ready to play with our dragon? Okay.
So you do this thing.
Okay, why don't you open the LED lights so we'll have some lights?
Ah, he fell.
He fell. Okay, put him back again. Very good. And it's time to... one more. Launch one more. Two, launch! Yay! Do you like the toy? I do like it too. Okay, thank you. And we are done unboxing this toy from Playmobil. We do like it. You know, if I'm gonna use stars with 3 stars as the highest, I'm gonna really give this toy a 3-star. First is the ease of opening and the ease of assembling as well. It's easy to assemble. Even, I believe, 5-year-olds will be able to assemble this themselves. And the toy itself, just like I said earlier in the video, is sturdy. It's a big toy, which means little hands will be able to grasp and play with this toy. Overall, again, Playmobil, good job, and I do recommend you guys buying this toy. Until next time, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Toys Galaxy. Bye! It's time to launch, Dragon!